The Measure Distance tool in GIS, Geographic Information Systems, is an essential and versatile tool that allows users to calculate the distance between two or more points on a map. It provides a straightforward way to determine the straight line, Euclidean, distances, and path distances along defined routes, such as roads or trails, and even calculate the perimeter. MapOG Map Analysis also provides the Measure Distance tool for different analyses. It can be used in many cases, like measuring straight line distances, Euclidean distance, measuring path distances, calculating the perimeter of the target area. Let us see how the Measure Distance tool is used to measure the perimeter. Open Map Analysis. Add the farmland polygon from GIS libraries. Crop the data while adding for a specific area. Rename the map from the Edit icon on the top of the Layers panel. Have the target area in the field of view. Select the measurement distance from the measurement tools near the search bar. Draw along the boundary of the polygon. Double-click the last point and make sure to overlap it with the first point so that it forms a closed boundary. The perimeter will be measured and displayed in kilometers. This is how the Measurement Distance tool can be used in MapOG Map Analysis for measuring the perimeter of the land area. Measuring the perimeter of farmland using the GIS Measure Distance tool ensures accurate boundary management, efficient resource allocation, and precise planning for agricultural activities. It aids in regulatory compliance, cost estimation, and dispute resolution, enhancing overall farm management. Thanks for watching. For any queries, reach out to us at support@mapog.com.